Hello everyone, today we will have a look at this ergonomic mouse that I bought from China. I paid $10.45. Later I found out that you can buy it from Kmart for $12. Well, at least I saved $1.55. I didn't try it yet, so let's see. It's covered with this textured plastic, which I'm not a fan of, because later it will become goo or something. The scroll wheel feels cheap, it's light, it's not bad. 2.4 gig wireless optical mouse. It takes 2 AAA batteries, and this is the dongle. This is the on-off switch. The plastics feels cheap mold with sharp edges. There is a different type that is rechargeable. I also bought one, but I didn't receive it and I got a refund. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons, and these are horrible. You can see how cheap they are. Anyway, let's give it a try. Should be okay. Let's see what we have here on the packaging. Nothing. Different models. It looks like we have different colors as well. That's all. Okay, here we got 2 batteries. You know it's cheap when you see the light, because modern mice, the light is invisible. And we'll disconnect the dongle. Oh, it's very fast. It's okay, but you need to get used to it, I think. We'll use it for a couple of days and we'll tell you my opinion. Of course, I prefer modern mice because they use only 1 battery instead of 2. Like this as well, 1 battery. it apart. Screw. Now screw here. Put it back. Another one. And another one. 3 screws. Now what? Okay, here we are. This is the sensor and the LED. And here are the buttons. First I thought this lights up, but it looks like it's not. It's not illuminated. So that's it, nothing inside. Nothing interesting. Well, it get illuminated. You can see it in the dark. But there is no dedicated LED. The light comes through this one, passes here, which is still okay.